So at the most basic level, Navisworks can be thought of as the universal tool to take models from all trades and combine them into a single model. Once you have models from all sorts of different trades combined into one file, this opens the door for all sorts of useful applications like review, markup, animator, quantification, scripting, timeliner, rendering, and of course the clash detective. If you're kind of curious what any of these features are, well, we're going to take a good look at them as we go. One of the things that is huge for me with Navisworks. So I have a client that we're working on a house design for, and most of the work is being done in Revit for the home design itself, for the actual building. But one of the big components is they want to make sure that the views are being framed of the mountain nearby. So I was able to take the site model from InfraWorks, built this huge topo surface. We got the giant mountain in here. And then if we just zoom in just a little bit to the site, we can see the house right there with the context of the neighborhood and the mountain. So where Navisworks was really able to help out was I could go inside the building here and start to kind of look around and make sure that the views of the mountain are being framed in certain places. So here's a good example from the kitchen. We're looking at the mountain right there. I have a couple other ones from our landing up here. Again, just making sure that the client is happy. And we were able to prove this, pull up the model and show them what that's going to look like. And that's something we would not be able to do very efficiently inside the actual design software.